Are you fed up with plating tank failures, costly downtime, repair hassles? By reducing total cost of ownership, Goad Company increases your bottom line. Goad provides the longest lasting, most trouble-free plating tanks, linings, and containments. Goad's CoroSeal line plating tanks lead the market since 2006. Goad eliminates hand wells and their failures, utilizes full-size panels and infused machine wells. Corner inserts conquer the inherent welding difficulty of bottom corners. Goad encourages customers to view their containments as more than a commodity. Consider the total cost of ownership, factoring in maintenance, repairs, relinings, downtime, lost production, and the expected life of the product. Why settle for less than the best? To learn more about Goad's plating tanks, visit goadco.com or simply call 800-733-4623 today.